Oke, di Talongo memang ada aturan kan. Itu tuh ngai suba kilau mulai na korong gitu kulo kan sakila na bikato to.
Iya.
Mau saling bante berki na kia. Na arti sa di
Sari
kari
kamu
ko.
ini kira na arti.
Oh, so ito tu ba osulo.
Iya.
Noro kira kata mi romo ta na kasa na bolo ya.
Sari ba tong takina ini Nokia, ba tong takina korogo main nanggai melambasa.
Right.
Sari bina katerida.
Iya.
Kan minta sana ba tong Iya.
Saya ada tolong dulu ya, mata.
Iya. Sa bina kat meba berta ba tong takotnya saja melok kena bitalo dia tidak bos mau batak kena sekarang apa.
Oh, sira bos ba korong.
Oh, sekarang mana boleh bakor sari yang main kan kasih.
Iya.
Gua tuh mau coba.
Iya.
Ayo sana kasih atau mau tuh main gaji, tidak mau atau tuh main oba.
Iya,
Itu
oba.
ba kita tato ngana oba.
Ko bisa wo choko
Iya.
on my son.
Iya.
Oba. O tinggal tuh nabo sa oba, tarano korto na marama. Salah kalau tidak bitalo saya tidak bertemu bertu sama-sama tuh oba si bermayor tuh mekia. Iya, tuh tangan marama bertu sama-sama tuh ngalu tuh sila tuh mena oba. Si bermayor tuh mena gai. Ay, kuku yang mau mai si berngamo ko mai kia. Ay, usah oba tiu. Yeah, this is a story about a long time ago.
Many months ago.
The people there in our village from Kia, from the island of Kia, it was installed the RT, the radio telephone was installed in this island.
That's long way back.
Yeah, long way back. And after that, we want to contribute our conversation. There must be a post of RT again in Nangai in Lambasa. So they want to do it as a conversation.
Try.
Look at the camera.
It was on Monday during the village meeting.
After the village meeting.
After the village meeting, they were supposed to do nothing, but there is one fella just came back from Suba. Oh, we have to give to this one because he come back from Suba. He know everything. He watch everything from Suba. He will be smart today because all the oldies there, they don't want to participate because they are afraid of mistake.
If they are wrong, all our answers will spoil.
Yeah, tatabalala during rock session, this topic will still elaborate.
Still coming up.
Still coming up.
Alright.
And this fella was there. And people from Nangai were saying, okay, let's start. Okay, what you doing there?
So they are conversation between the two RT, the two villages.
The one in
The one in
The one in Nangai and the one in Kia.
Okay.
And Oba.
Nangai.
But they translate.
Can you receive me?
Can we say Oba? But they don't say in English. They do it the way they do in the village. Oba.
Right.
After that, they receive it from Kia. Yeah, the weather too is very good.
How's the weather over there, Kia?
Okay,
How's the weather there, Kia?
Over. Right, the weather here too is good. It's very, very good and very nice. Over.
How's the children and the teachers out there in the field?
The children and the teachers, they are going to send
Over.
Oh, okay. And how about the ladies?
The lady too, she is very good.
Kuku, you must say over.
I'm over now.
I'm already over it.
Oi. Ya lakon to na kama kau cika. Taruh nama bamba, taruh kasih cili kaya. Ya tulis sama.
Asin bermurto mai nakai. Hey, kuku iyo mo apa mai? Seberno ai, aku obati oi. Ai, oke mana berto nama rama. Nama rama berto ngai. Asin iyo masih bermayo to menangai. Ai, kuku iyo mo apa mai? Seberno murto mekia. Ai, aku obati oi.